Tired of dreaming about your own online store? Well, in just a few steps, I'll show you how to build your very own Ecommerce website using Adobe Dreamweaver CC. First, open Dreamweaver and create a new site, providing a name and choosing a local site folder where your website files will be stored. Next, create your home page. Design the layout with clearly defined areas like the header, navigation bar, product display, and footer. This is the backbone of your store. Use Dreamweaver's design view or code view to add these elements. Insert images, text, and links with simple drag and drop actions. Now, for the product listings, create separate pages for each product. Make these visually appealing by placing product images, descriptions, and prices. You can utilize Dreamweaver's built-in tables or responsive layouts to organize this information. Incorporating a payment gateway is your next move to accepting payments. Select an Ecommerce-friendly widget from Dreamweaver's library to add a Buy Now button, and choose an available payment provider. Following the instructions and connecting your accounts, you'll be ready to start selling. Always prioritize the user experience. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and simple for customers to complete their purchases. Test the website extensively on different devices. After these stages are completed, you can upload your website and start selling your products. Dreamweaver can make your aspirations take flight.